So we're gonna go make a paw print ornament. I think is the Christmas babies. There's too many to pick from, Freddie. All right, we're gonna do the ornament.
Do you want an ornament?
So they're gonna put some paint on your paw. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Your mom will help you.
All right, hang tight, little boy.
Nope. I want it to be pretty.
Come here, little boy.
Because you don't have fuzzy paw pads.
Oh, dang it.